Hi. My name is Ben. What is yours?
I am Sarah. Nice to meet you, Ben.
Do you live around here?
Yes. Near the park. Do you?
Cool. I live 2 streets down.
What a coincidence. How old are you?
I am 15. What about you?
I am 14. You look older.
Haha, maybe it's my big shoes.
Maybe. It's nice to talk to you. Can we meet again sometime?
Are you learning English?
Yes. I am learning English.
Why are you learning English?
I want to travel the world and meet new people.
English is a good language for that. It's spoken everywhere.
Also, I want to study abroad one day.
Good luck. English will definitely help.
I find it hard sometimes.
Don't worry. Practice makes perfect.
Do you have any tips for learning?
Watch movies and listen to music in English.
Any other tips for starting?
Keep it simple and use basic vocabulary.
Great idea. Thanks for the encouragement.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I love reading books and playing sports.
Me too. What kind of books do you read?
I like adventure stories and mysteries.
Cool. I prefer fantasy and historical novels.
What about sports? Do you play anything?
I play soccer and basketball, and you?
I love swimming and volleyball.
We should play sometime.
I would love to. Let's exchange numbers.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
I am not sure yet. Maybe a doctor or a teacher.
My dream is to be a musician.
That's cool. Do you play any instruments?
I play the guitar and the piano.
Wow. You are talented.
What about you? Do you have any hobbies related to your future career?
I volunteer at the animal shelter sometimes. Maybe I will be a veterinarian one day.
Do you have any pets?
Yes. I have a playful dog and a grumpy cat. How about you?
I used to have a hamster, but it escaped. Have you been to the zoo lately?
No. Not for a while. What animals do you like best?
Tigers and elephants are my favorites. They are so majestic.
I adore pandas. They are so cute and clumsy. Let's plan a zoo trip soon.
Are you a techie? What's your favorite app?
I would not say I am a techie, but I love social media and online games.
Me too. Do you play any mobile games? I am into racing games lately.
I prefer puzzle games and brain teasers. They keep my mind sharp.
Have you heard of the new virtual reality headset? It's supposed to be mind-blowing.
Wow. That sounds futuristic. Maybe we can try it together sometime.
What do you do for fun besides studying?
I enjoy painting and learning new languages. What about you?
I am into photography and playing the guitar. Maybe we can share our passions sometime.
Great idea. I would love to see your photos and hear you play.
And I would love to try your paints and learn a few words in a new language. Deal?
Totally. It's always cool to discover new things and connect with others who share your interests.